Sick of waiting around for jobs that never come? It's time to stop relying on luck and start making customers come to you. You're an expert at keeping buildings cool, but if no one knows about your skills, your calendar stays empty and so does your wallet. Imagine this instead: a steady stream of clients lining up because your name is everywhere, trusted and recommended. Many HVAC owners think paying for leads is the only way, but watching your money vanish with little return. That's frustrating and unsustainable. I've been there, spending more than I earned, hoping for a breakthrough. Then I took control. I learned how to generate my own leads, and suddenly, the work didn't stop. No more waiting. No more guessing. Just consistent jobs coming straight to you. Ready to turn things around? Let's talk and make it happen.